63 years. Since 1961. That is how long Sportsmobile has been building custom van conversions in America. They were building camper vans before the term van life existed, before Instagram, before YouTube, before anyone called it overlanding. And in 2026, they are still the name that serious custom van buyers come back to. Not because they are the cheapest option. They are not. Not because their process is the fastest. It is not. But because when you want a Ford Transit built exactly the way you want it, down to the floor plan, the roof system, the electrical, the sleeping arrangement, the AWD configuration, and every option in between, Sportsmobile is the company with 63 years of answers to the questions you have not asked yet. Today on NextGen Motorhome, we cover everything that matters about a Sportsmobile Ford Transit custom build. The chassis options, the engine choices, the AWD system, the power numbers, the fuel economy, the Trail Ready package, the Penthouse top, and what all of this costs in the real world. Let's go. The foundation. Sportsmobile builds on the 2026 Ford Transit in 3 body configurations. The regular body, 18 feet 4 inches long on a 130-inch wheelbase. The extended body, 19 feet 8 inches on a 148-inch wheelbase. And the long body, 22 feet 2 inches on a 148-inch wheelbase. 3 roof options: low roof, medium roof, and high roof. The high roof is the configuration most Sportsmobile Transit buyers choose because it allows standing room for persons up to 6 feet 5 inches inside the van. That is a full standing interior in a 22-foot 2-inch long van, on a chassis that can be optioned with AWD. That combination, full standing height, AWD capable, built exactly to your spec, is what separates a Sportsmobile from a production line Class B. The engines. The 2026 Ford Transit that Sportsmobile builds on gives you 2 engine choices. The standard 3.5-liter PFDI V6 producing 275 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, or the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 producing 300 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. Stop right there. 400 pound-feet of torque from a turbocharged V6. In a van conversion, 400 pound-feet is more torque than most Class B buyers ever experience from a gasoline platform. The EcoBoost twin-turbocharged architecture delivers that torque number at low RPM, which means it pulls confidently from low speed without needing to rev the engine up to find the power. On a mountain grade with a full build and 2 people aboard, the EcoBoost 400 pound-feet is a meaningfully different driving experience than the standard 260 pound-feet engine. Both transmissions are Ford's 10-speed select shift automatic. Both include tow/haul mode standard. The fuel tank. 2 choices: 25-gallon standard or available 31-gallon extended tank. The EcoBoost engine option is the one to pair with the 31-gallon extended tank. At real-world highway fuel economy of 15 to 18 miles per gallon on the EcoBoost Transit at a loaded custom build weight, 31 gallons gives you a range of 465 to 558 miles between fill-ups. That is genuine long-range highway capability on a Ford gasoline platform. The standard PFDI V6 version typically delivers 16 to 19 miles per gallon highway in this application. The EcoBoost is slightly lower under heavy load due to boost demand, 15 to 17 miles per gallon in real-world loaded conditions. Both run on regular 87-octane gasoline. Both significantly outperform a Class A or Class C at the pump. The AWD system. The 2026 Ford Transit offers Ford's intelligent all-wheel drive system as an available option. This is a permanent intelligent AWD setup, not a part-time switch. It monitors all 4 wheels continuously and redistributes torque in milliseconds when slip is detected. And here is what makes the Ford Transit AWD system specifically notable. Ford engineered the intelligent AWD system on the Transit without raising the load floor or the step-in height. That matters for a conversion van because every millimeter of floor height affects interior livability. A raised floor means a lower ceiling in a high-roof van. Ford solved that problem at the design stage. The AWD system was integrated from the ground up to maintain the full interior height advantage of the Transit platform. The AWD option on the 2026 Transit adds approximately $4,000 to $4,700 to the base van price. For a Sportsmobile build buyer making a total investment of $100,000 to $150,000 and above, that $4,000 AWD premium is one of the highest value additions on the entire spec sheet. The towing capacity. With the heavy-duty trailer tow package on the 2026 Transit, maximum towing capacity is 6,900 pounds. 6,900. On a custom-built camper van, a small boat, a motorcycle trailer, a compact car on a flatbed, a loaded utility trailer. For buyers who want to bring a second vehicle or significant gear trailer behind their Sportsmobile Transit, 6,900 pounds of rated capacity provides real, usable options. Maximum payload on the T350 HD high roof extended length configuration is 5,103 pounds. Even with a full Sportsmobile conversion build adding weight, electrical systems, cabinetry, batteries, water tanks, penthouse top, the Transit T350 HD platform carries meaningful cargo capacity. The penthouse top. This is one of Sportsmobile's most iconic and most discussed options. The penthouse top is a pop-up roof system that raises manually to add sleeping space above the main van body. It is designed for low roof and medium roof Transit configurations. It adds approximately 16 to 20 inches of interior height when raised and creates an upper sleeping area that accommodates two adults. The penthouse top only installation on a van you already own runs several $1,000s plus a $4,000 deposit and requires approximately 5 days of installation time at a Sportsmobile facility. For buyers who own a Transit and want to add the penthouse without a full conversion, this is an available standalone service. On a full conversion build, the penthouse top becomes part of the complete package and Sportsmobile integrates it seamlessly into the overall design. The Trail Ready package. Sportsmobile now offers a Trail Ready off-road package for the Ford Transit. This package upgrades the Transit's capability for rough roads, forest service tracks, and demanding terrain beyond what the stock Transit handles. Combined with the Ford Intelligent AWD system, the Trail Ready package makes a Sportsmobile Transit genuinely capable on the kind of roads that standard Class B vans cannot access. The complete build. Here is what a Sportsmobile Ford Transit build typically includes. A fully custom floor plan chosen by the buyer. Bed and sleeping configuration options. Longitudinal bed, transverse bed, twin beds, convertible dinette. The penthouse top or high roof fixed configuration. Cabinetry in materials and colors chosen by the buyer. Refrigeration, compressor refrigerator options from various manufacturers. Cooktop or induction. Solar panels, from 100 watts up to 400 watts or more depending on electrical requirements. Lithium battery system sized to the buyer's off-grid needs. Victron or other quality inverter and charge controller. Water system with fresh water tank, pump, sink, and optional hot water. Diesel or propane heating. Climate control. Windows and privacy treatments. Audio and communication systems. Exterior shower. Roof rack options. And the AWD and Trail Ready packages, if selected. The price. This is where a Sportsmobile review is fundamentally different from reviewing a production motorhome with a fixed MSRP. Sportsmobile does not have a sticker price because every build is custom. From available pricing data, Sportsmobile Transit builds typically run from approximately $100,000 to $160,000 for a full conversion on a new 2026 Ford Transit chassis. Depending on the chassis configuration chosen, The engine, AWD, roof type, and every option added. A base penthouse top-only installation on a van you already own starts at several $1,000s with a $4,000 deposit. A partial conversion, some systems added but not a full build, falls in the middle range. A complete full conversion build on a new long-body high-roof T350 HD AWD Transit with EcoBoost engine, full electrical system, lithium batteries, penthouse top, Trail Ready package, solar, and all living systems is going to land in the $130,000 to $160,000 range for the complete vehicle. That includes the cost of the base Transit, which on the T350 HD high roof extended AWD with EcoBoost starts at approximately $62,000 to $68,000 before conversion. How does that compare to production Class B vans? The Thor sequence on a Ram ProMaster starts at $151,900. The Roadtrek Play starts at $142,600. The Pleasureway Plateau TS on Mercedes Sprinter Diesel is $224,200. A fully spec'd Sportsmobile Ford Transit at $140,000 to $160,000 delivers something no production van can deliver. It is built exactly the way you want it. Not the way a production engineer decided it should be. Not the floor plan that sells the most units. Yours. To your dimensions. Your priorities. Your use case. Your life. That is a value that does not appear on a spec sheet. But it is the reason buyers wait months for a Sportsmobile build when they could walk into a dealer and drive a production van home today. The service network. The 2026 Ford Transit has the largest commercial van dealer service network in the United States. There are more Ford dealers in America than any other vehicle brand. For a buyer who plans to travel full-time across every state, that means warranty service, parts availability, and routine maintenance at virtually every city in the country. No hunting for a specialized Mercedes dealer. No waiting for Sprinter-specific parts in a small town. Ford Transit service is accessible everywhere. The warranty on the Sportsmobile conversion is backed through Sportsmobile directly. The chassis carries Ford's standard commercial vehicle warranty, 3 years and 36,000 miles bumper to bumper, 5 years and 60,000 miles powertrain. Sportsmobile's conversion warranty covers their workmanship and systems. Who is a Sportsmobile Ford Transit built for? It is for the buyer who has thought seriously about exactly what he needs and does not need in a van. The man who has camped in production Class B vans and found them too much in some ways and not enough in others. The man who wants AWD capability, a specific floor plan, a specific electrical system, and a specific roof solution, all in one vehicle. The man who is willing to wait for the right build instead of settling for what is on the lot. It is not for the buyer who needs something immediately. Sportsmobile build times run from several months to longer, depending on backlog. It is not for the buyer who wants the convenience of a single manufacturer warranty covering everything. And it is not for the buyer who wants a slide-out or a Class C footprint. But for the buyer who wants exactly what he wants, on a chassis with the best commercial service network in America, built by a company that has been doing this since 1961. The Sportsmobile Ford Transit is a compelling answer to a question most buyers never think to ask. Go contact Sportsmobile. Use their online design tool. Talk to their conversion specialists. The process of designing your build is itself an education in what you actually want from a van. And that education changes how you look at every production Class B van on the market. That is the Sportsmobile Ford Transit custom build. Verified specs from Ford's own 2026 documentation, straight talk, no filler. If this helped you, hit the like button right now. Subscribe to NextGen Motorhome for a new American motorhome breakdown every single week. Drop a comment below. Would you go full custom Sportsmobile build or buy a production Class B? And if you went Sportsmobile, would you spec the AWD and EcoBoost or keep it simple? I read every comment. Safe travels, gentlemen. See you in the next one.